Your domain name is your digital identity. It's the first thing people see when they look for your business or blog online. But buying a high-quality domain can sometimes be an unexpected extra cost when you're just starting out. That's why Hostinger offers a fantastic deal, a professional domain name for free, when you sign up for their popular hosting plans. To make this deal even better, I've secured an exclusive 20% discount for you. Just click the referral link in the description below to claim it. Today, I'll show you how to grab your free domain and why Hostinger is the smartest place to park your website. So, how do you get it? When you choose a premium, business, or cloud hosting plan, Hostinger includes a domain registration for the first year at zero cost. We're talking about popular extensions like .com, .net, .shop, and many more. This isn't just a random subdirectory. It's a full, professional, top-level domain that usually costs between $10 to $15 elsewhere. By bundling it with your hosting, Hostinger simplifies the process. You don't have to worry about connecting name servers or dealing with third-party registrars. Everything is managed under one simple dashboard. One of the best things about getting your domain through Hostinger is the added security. Many registrars charge you extra for WHOS privacy protection, which keeps your personal contact information hidden from hackers and spammers. Hostinger often includes this privacy for free or at a very low cost, ensuring your data stays safe from day one. Plus, their domain management tool is incredibly intuitive. You can set up professional business emails like info@yourdomain.com in seconds, which adds massive credibility to your brand compared to using a generic Gmail address. In summary, why pay for a domain separately when you can get it for free with world-class hosting? You get a fast website, enterprise-level security, and your professional identity all in one package. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for anyone looking to launch a serious online presence without breaking the bank. Don't wait until your dream domain name is taken by someone else. Click the referral link in the description right now to get your free domain and claim your exclusive 20% discount. Start your professional journey today with Hostinger, the smartest choice for your website's home.